Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready for a new story? Let's go! Episode 5, Ella Cooks a Healthy Dinner. This is another easy English story. Today we will see Ella cooking a healthy dinner in her home. It is evening, and Ella feels a little hungry. She decides to cook something healthy and simple. She opens her fridge and looks inside. She sees chicken, carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, and rice. She smiles and says, "Yes, I can make a nice dinner." First, Ella washes the vegetables. She cuts the carrots into small pieces. She slices the tomatoes and cucumbers for a salad. The colors look fresh and beautiful on the table. Next, she prepares the chicken. She puts a little salt, pepper, and olive oil on it. Then she cooks it in a pan on the stove. The smell of chicken fills the kitchen. It makes her feel happy and excited to eat. While the chicken is cooking, Ella makes rice. She puts rice and water in a pot. She waits until the rice is soft and ready. The steam rises from the pot and the kitchen feels warm. After 30 minutes, everything is ready. Ella puts rice, chicken, and salad on a plate. It looks simple, healthy, and delicious. She sits at the table with her pink mug of water. She takes a bite of the chicken and smiles. It tastes good and she feels proud because she cooked it herself. Eating healthy makes Ella feel strong. She thinks about how living alone is not always easy, but she enjoys cooking for herself. It is one of the small joys of her new life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.